We could always, this one will be from the outside of the shop, and then the next one we could do from inside the shop.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, because that was the original idea, to be inside.
I think this is a multiple series thing, like, you know, this ain't no one-time shit.
This is like tag team, yeah. You don't know who that is? Twitch stream dude that like has. I should have just said that.
What's up, you guys? We got the Nonstop Auto first annual invitational roast battle right now. I'm gonna just get a hat. We're gonna pick some names. What's up? Yo, where'd Matt go? I was about.
Take two.
We're waiting on Matt. Hey Matt, can I have your hat, bro?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we got we got two matchups right here, so I'm gonna pick a name out the hat. We got Cam versus Logan in the truck.
Yeah.
Alright, next up.
Cam versus Logan
Frank versus Matt.
Yeah.
Alright. This is the first, this is why we came, we're roast battling. So we got Cam versus Logan right here. We're gonna go Rochambeau, 1 out of 1. I'm gonna say rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Behind your hand, behind your body, throw it out. Cam, you ready?
Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You want to go first or second?
Second.
Second. Logan, start us off.
All right. Camille is 2 haircuts and 1 breakup away from verbally abusing a server at Chili's.
I don't really know Logan too well, but he's definitely the kind of guy who stands up first and claps when the plane lands.
You know, if you've seen Camille, she's got a fat ass and an even fatter nose. What I'm trying to say is she looks like Big Bird with alopecia.
This is really funny coming from the guy who looks like he was recruited by the Nazis. Hang on. I never met an adult crack baby until I met Logan.
If you've seen her stand up, Camille is a loud and proud feminist, which is ironic because the best thing that she could do for the feminist movement is shut the hell up.
Logan mansplaining feminism, great.
Love to see a mansplain of feminism. Logan looks like if Forrest Gump had a gay brother.
Camille, she likes to get on stage and complain about guys who can't find the clit. You know, when she can't even find a punchline.
That's really funny. It's a good thing this truck isn't called the clitoris, otherwise Logan never would have found it.
Maybe you could teach me. You kind of look like a teacher who fucks her kids. You look like you end the class by saying, "Don't forget, page 15 is the homework, and subscribe to my fan house."
Logan pays for sex, but it's not for sex. It's actually so he can just be held and cry by a woman.
You know, they took a survey, and a lot of guys actually said they preferred a woman's natural face without makeup. You know, unless she's Camille.
You remind me of a wizard of loneliness.
Yeah, you got mean stepmom energy. I don't know.
Call me mommy.
All right, how we doing? We got one more joke in?
I'm out personally. I don't know about you.
Camille, OT, you got anything or?
All right. Even if you gave him some manufactured medical grade swag, Logan wouldn't know the meaning of the word.
All right, I'll take it.
All right, guys, give it up to our roasters right here, Camille and Logan. Thank you, guys. Next up, we got.
What you think, C's?
Dude, first roast was awesome. Good back and forth right there. I think Cam went pretty strong toward the end. Let the comments decide. Let the comments decide who won.
You talking about no cameras?
I've been touched by Frank.
We're gonna answer the endless question: what happens when two pedophiles enter a truck? Come on in, you guys. All right, we got roast number 2 right here. Roast number 2 going on. So Rochambeau, 1v1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Matt, you want to go first or second?
I'll let him go first.
All right.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, dude. All right, man.
Oh, that pop, dude. Fucking. Yeah, you look like Gargamel if he had AIDS.
Nice.
Thanks.
Dude, Frank's nickname is the Dirty Rat, and it's not because he's Jewish, but because he likes to dress up like Chuck E. Cheese and get touched by children.
You know, Matt's got an IUD. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm dyslexic. I mean a DUI.
Damn. That hurt, because it's real. All right. Dude, Frank is the type of the guy that masturbate to the anime girls on the back of people's cars.
Matt took a year to post, like, his entire life on social media, yet he can't go a year without sniffing kids.
Just can't. They smell so good. As they say in Mandarin, away bien. But, what is it, though? Dude, Frank, on the other hand, this guy, Frank is the only guy to be charged for molesting a body pillow.
You look like a Make-A-Wish kid. Wanted to method act American History X.
Dude, you look like you Make-A-Wish kids.
It's true. I have cancer.
Oh, man.
It's pretty hard. It's pretty easy. You just blow smoke in their face.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, Matt is a man of many talents, yet he can never make his parents proud.
Because they're dead.
Good. He did it.
Yeah, I did it. It was from the DUI. I killed a family of 4. Dude, oh man, Frank, this guy. Frank is so desperate to be touched. Every time he goes to church, he dresses up like an altar boy.
Hey, I mean, you got to sing those high notes somehow. Matt and liberal girls shave their head. That's the only thing they have in common. But if I really wanted to see a shaved pussy, I'd just watch Austin Powers. You got to think about that one.
I'll say my thinker of a one. Dude, I'm surprised Frank hasn't been tried for the Tate murders.
What?
Sharon Tate. He looks like Charlie Manson.
I used to have long hair. I used to be a piece of shit. You look like you look like the kid in the striped pajamas grew up.
You look like. I'm sorry, that one's pretty good. You look like you would bring mustard gas to a Holocaust museum.
And? That wasn't the one that killed him. History, dog. Fucking.
Is this where we go into the power of editing and I can look at my notes before we keep going?
Dude, welcome. This is the next host of the Kids Porn Awards, everybody.
Dude, Frank is the type of guy to kidnap a girl and say, "Don't worry, I'm the nice guy."
You know, Matt, you know, he's a good dude. He voted for Biden. You know, not because he's a Democrat, because he's also on Epstein's list.
Dude, Frank looks like he has a secret, and that secret is he's Republican.
Shit, I can't say that. I'm gonna get deported from this truck, dude.
I have to say, Frank is what he would consider a family man. He likes to support his family by subscribing to his mom's OnlyFans.
It's his dead mom's OnlyFans.
All right, how are we feeling? We got one last one.
That was all I'm spent.
Can we just go boxing round, improvise?
I don't got it.
All right,
I'm cold, dude.
In
the street. Yeah, let's take it outside.
All right, guys, give it up for Matt and Frank right here. Let the comments decide who won.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, he lost, right? All right, you ready? All right, dude, is that your El Pastor?
This is my carne.
Okay, whatever. All right, wait.
Look, dude, they went hard.
Damn, dude. That's better than the victory I got over Frank, dude. These tacos are great, bro.
Hey, yo, first come, first serve. I came all over your face, dog.
Yeah, Frank's usually first to come, that's for certain.
I got a tiny wiener, dude. It's not a lot of strokes.
Dude, not a lot of strokes, dude. 0 times anything is still 0, bro.
They're both single.
Hit me up, ladies. Tinder, Hinge, Bumble.
Frank, baby, what about me?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, fuck.
I'll go second.
Oh, go.
I had to use your appearance, bro.
Luke ordered his tacos mild, which is really funny because he likes spicy children porn.
I'm happy to be performing in a place where I only have a 5% chance of being stabbed by the staff. When I met Caesar in 2018, he was a dime. He was buff and thin. Since then, he's gotten a bit huskier and added some pudge. He's went to a 10 to a soft and fluffy 7, but I gotta say, I miss my thin little Caesar. But Caesar doesn't miss Little Caesar because every day he stuffs his mouth full of Little Caesars. You are the result of a diet of pure Italian cheese bread and 6 cervezas per day, filling your fat fucking face. The only gym you go to is Gym Boys.
All right, fuck. All right. Luke is the only female comic in town that has not been booked by Sarah Rooker. And she'll book any bitch nowadays, dude.
That hurts my soul. Anyway, he may be a 7, but Caesar still makes the ladies wet, the fellas hard, and the donkeys walk crooked for a week.
Luke is a lot older than he looks. How old are you?
37.
37. Is that not crazy? Yeah. They say the spell will break and Luke will turn his real age once his wiener touches his balls.
Hasn't happened. I think Caesar's a Trump fan, and he's a little bit racist because he's always saying, "Man, I'm sick of all these goddamn Mexicans crossing the border. They're trying to steal my taco truck job, and they want to steal my supply of white women."
He's got a point. All right. Luke is a traveler. He went to Korea back in 2000. He didn't go there for business or for picking up women. He actually went there because he was Thailand's #1 lady boy.
Number 3. Yeah, this is part of the last joke, but Caesar's motto when it comes to women is "seize them by the pussy." Caesar's pro-life, and he hates using condoms, which explains why the morning after he always just forces his hookups to eat his special Plan B flan.
God damn, dude. All right. Luke is only 3 testosterone treatments away from fighting the 5th grader down the street from him. I banged his mom.
Caesar comes from a big family. They breed early and often. Yeah, he was fortunate enough to play football with his great-great-great-grandfather. It's a racist joke.
Luke plays the guitar, as you guys know. He was the only guy in the 2000s that played guitar and never got laid. I got two more, so if you keep it going all you want.
I got 2013 Reed High Homecoming King, Caesar Calix. Calix is very picky when it comes to women. Yeah, Caesar's mother Gracie turns 50, and now he won't even eat her pupusa.
Mexican Salvadorian joke, good dude. Luke looks like the kid in high school, in a high school movie that's like trying to climb the rope, you know, but like somehow an incident happens and he gets wedgied in front of his crush. Like, no, all right, fuck it. I could see it. My bad.
Caesar works at La Barca. Yeah, La Barca, which is the sound their asada used to make. Yeah, Misty is gonna be so delicious someday.
All right.
La Barca.
My last joke. Luke he runs a great show down the street over at Blind Onion, if you didn't know. And surprising to everyone, he books unfunny black comedians. Not because he's woke, but because he's afraid of them.
Sometimes, yes. That's exactly what I was going to say. Anyway, if you don't stab me. Anyway. Yeah, Caesar is the Nachos Belgrande of Mexicans. He looks Mexican, but he's like a lame Americanized Disney Channel Mexican. Yeah. Caesar holds what he calls grass stains comedy shows in his backyard. And after the show, if you give him $10, you can attend the Cum Stains comedy show in Caesar's other backyard. All right, that's all.
All right. That's all I got. Thanks.
Yeah.